forward, taking it from the aircraft with you. Once outside, slip your arms through the straps, pull the cushion to your chest, and then clasp your hands together. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If the cabin pressure should change, a door above your head will open and a mask will fall. Grasp the mask inside and pull down to start oxygen flow. Slip the elastic band around your head, cover your nose and mouth with the yellow cup, and adjust with the side straps. Breathe normally. If occupying the lavatory, masks will be held within a retaining clip. Oxygen flow is controlled by altitude. At lower altitudes, the bag on the mask may not fully inflate. Be sure to check your own mask before assisting others. Continue to use the mask until advised by a crew member that oxygen is no longer needed. Smoking is not permitted on the aircraft. This includes the lavatory. Aircraft lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors, and the law prohibits anyone from tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with lighted no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs, as well as all posted placards and all crew member instructions. Now check once again to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, low and tight. All seat backs and tray tables are to be in an upright and locked position. Carry-on luggage must be placed beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. More detailed information can be found on the safety card. I'd like to suggest you take a moment to read this carefully before takeoff, and then return it to the seat pocket for future use.
Pink side pala ako.
Thank you for your attention, and welcome aboard.
We're right beside the wings. Here I come, Missouri. Muntik na kaming ma-delay. Muntik na kaming di makaabot because of maraming mga visitors na nagdagsaan sa Chicago, Illinois. It's about 12,000 visitors. So, hiwalay ang US citizen immigration sa non-immigrant at visitor immigration. Although we found out na pag mag-asawa pala, pwede naman na samahan ni American husband or isama ni American husband si wife doon sa pagpipilahan niya sa immigration dito sa Chicago, sa O'Hare International Airport, Chicago. But anyway, God is good because kahit na hingal kami, halos tumakbo kasi nasa pinakahuli yung gate ng aming last flight bound to St. Louis, Missouri. Nakapasok pa rin kami ang pinakahuling passenger na umupo, and now we are going to take off. So ayan, upuan ko ay nasa mismong pakpak. Ayan. So maliit lang na plane ito because it's a domestic airplane from Chicago to Missouri, St. Louis. Yan. So we're waiting for the takeoff. Shortly. Lapit na. Yung dalawang yung dalawang airplane na sinakyan namin kanina ay malalaki. So from Manila to Tokyo, and then Tokyo to Chicago. I think United Airlines is the biggest airplane na meron. And so now magsasabay kami nung isang airplane. Ayun, meron pang isang United Express ang tawag nila.
The cabin lights at this time for takeoff. We recommend that you fasten your seatbelt over your outermost layer of clothing so that it's visible
masyadong
There's an
malaki rin
additional
ang
ring light
airport ng
located in the
Chicago.
passenger service unit above you.
So, we have to take the airport train going sa mga terminal. Maganda siya. Masyado nga lang mahaba. Yan. Ayun yung lalagyan ng pagkain, Sky Chef. Ayan. Sana masarap ang pagkain ulit. Ayan, ang United Express. Ayan, ganyan lang kaliit ang airplane. Ayan. Siguro mga 100 people. Ayan. Yay! Daming airplane. Ayan. So, nandito na kami sa runway. Rarampa na ang aming aeroplano. Are you nervous?
No, I'm tired.
Oh, he's tired. Yeah. Look at that.
I was afraid we missed the flight and I couldn't find you.
Oh, don't say a word. Don't say a word because you're being recorded. Yeah. Don't say a word that you did not listen to your wife.
I what?
That you did not listen to your wife.
Oh, are you
Don't
keeping
say it.
records? Are you complaining?
Yeah, there's the runway. It has a long runway, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Runway, not a show. Now you get to videotape Chicago.
Yeah. Look at those things there. It's a long run. So, yan ang Chicago. Yan ang... Ooh, ayun o, may nagta-take off. Wow! Ayan. The last time na ako ay sumakay ng aeroplano pang international was from Kuwait to Manila way back in August of 2006. Yan. So, ang paglipad or pagsakay ng eroplano ay hindi na bago sa akin. Yung lang lugar ang bago. Tokyo Airport is good. Kaya lang, nauubusan sila ng pagkain sa mga restaurants doon sa loob. Yan. And then, Chicago, Chicago, hindi namin masyadong na-enjoy mag-stay sa airport niya kasi na-delay yung flight namin from Haneda to Chicago dahil merong emergency na aeroplanong gumamit nung aming anong tawag nito, door, no? So, yun, siguro mga delay kami ng pagbaba ng 30 minutes almost. Yeah. Tapos yun nga, masyadong maipit ang Chicago because kapag ikaw ay non-US citizen or non-immigrant, you have to pass by different immigration. Although kanina tinanong sa akin, where's your luggage? Sabi ko, no, it's with my husband. Where's your husband? He has a special pass ako because he's an American. Natawa lang yung nasa immigration. Ngayon pala, pwede pala niya akong isama kung nasaan siya. Eh di sana napadali kami ng 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah. Muntik na daw umayak ang asawa ko dahil hindi niya ako makita. Paano kaya niya ako makakita? 12,000 yung mga passenger sa liit kong ito. Natabunan ako. Ang dami-daming mga kasabayan ko, mga Indians, Pakistani, other European nationalities na considered silang visitors. Kaya doon din sila kung saan kami pumila for the immigration. I think it took me half an hour sa pila or more than half an hour. And then, pero yung pag-interview sa akin, 30 seconds lang. Kaya, God is so good. Nakaabot kami on time. Dahil kung hindi, we have to rebook the next flight going to St. Louis. Although, mangiyak-ngiyak na si Wendell dahil hindi niya ako makita. Pero, ayun o, pa-take off na rin yung nata. And pa ng runway. Are you praying? No,
Moses.
it's a long runway. It's a crooked road. I think we will be... Oh, ayun pa. May aeroplano pang mag-aano. Ayun siya. Saan na ba yun? Saan na ba? Meron pang magti-take off. Alaska. Oh, Alaska. Alaska is taking off. Pero Alaska is taking off.
We're next in line, I think.
Yeah. Oh, the other one just touched down. Yeah, we're next in line with this United Express.
Alaskan and him than us.
Yeah,
He takes off and we take off.
yeah.
We're like
Okay.
30 seconds apart.
Yeah. So, after mag-take off nitong isang United Express na to, this is a United Express, not United Airlines,
it's
right?
United Airlines.
So, it's a small plane. Kind of like our plane, right?
Yeah, ours is huge.
No, this
This is a small one.
yeah, this one is small. That one is the same as this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, American Airlines. There it is. Not every 30 seconds. I think it's every 5 minutes.
No, it's not 5.
Look,
Alright, let's count. That was 1, that was 2.
it's taking off. Right? Oh, we're next. We're the third. There's another one here.
Oh no!
Yeah. They're like small bus. It's an Airbus. They call it Airbus. And look at that. No, nag-touch down. American Airlines. And then this one is, I think, kasap after niyan.
I think every minute. It was exactly 1 minute when we had to
Oh yeah. So there it goes. Yan ang tatahakin namin. Pero hindi na natin makikita kasi tatagilid na. Dahil nasa gilid ako. Ayan, yung mga iba't ibang aeroplano. Oh, another American Express. No, the one who just... This is our size. American Express.
Yep.
The other one
Most
is...